Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be exploring 10 essential weather vocabulary words that every English learner should know. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, mastering these words will help you confidently talk about the weather in English. So, let's get started. Our first word is sunny. Sunny. Sunny describes a weather condition when there are no clouds in the sky and the sun is shining brightly. It's a perfect day to go outside and enjoy the warm weather. Next up is cloudy. Cloudy. Cloudy weather means that the sky is covered with clouds, blocking the sunlight. It's not as bright as a sunny day, but it can create a cozy atmosphere. Moving on, we have rainy. Rainy. Rainy weather occurs when water falls from the clouds in the form of raindrops. Don't forget your umbrella when you go outside on a rainy day. Now let's talk about snowy weather. Snowy. Snowy days are when snowflakes fall from the sky and cover the ground. It's a magical time, especially during the winter season. Our next word is windy. Windy. Windy weather means there is a lot of air moving around, creating a breeze or even strong gusts. It's a good idea to hold on to your hat on a windy day. Moving on, we have foggy. Foggy. Foggy weather occurs when there is a thick layer of cloud near the ground, reducing visibility. It's important to be cautious when driving or walking in foggy conditions. Let's talk about stormy weather now. Stormy. Stormy weather includes thunder, lightning, and heavy rain or snow. It can be quite dramatic and exciting to witness, but it's also important to stay safe during a storm. Now, let's discuss hot weather. Hot. Hot weather means it's very warm, often accompanied by high temperatures. It's a great time to head to the beach or enjoy a refreshing drink. On the other hand, cold weather refers to low temperatures. Cold. It's a time when you might need to wear warm clothing and bundle up to stay comfortable. Lastly, we have humid weather. Humid. Humid weather means there is a lot of moisture in the air, making it feel sticky and damp. It's common in tropical regions or during the summer months. And there you have it, the top 10 weather vocabulary words you need to know in English. We hope this video has been helpful in expanding your vocabulary and improving your English skills. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these words in your conversations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more language learning content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and keep learning.